More so because I've seen the ups, the downs in the industry, the highs, the lows, and that's when our bodies also, move according to the graph. But as far as Bhai is concerned, that body has remained the same and it has only improved year after year. I think it's been over 20, 25 years to this body now. And you've got the best of trainers who are here and they can vouch for the fact that you cannot maintain a body over such a long period. And in spite of working probably 16 hours, 17 hours a day, and still maintaining himself. So I think he's by far the fittest and the best body that we have. The most beautiful body also because, he was one of the first few who got that shirt out and, told the world that, I am the best and I'll always be the best.
Anna was telling me the other day, he says year after year, your fitness levels go to another zone. You've been so passionate about fitness. You're born with fitness. When did it start?
Started a very long time ago. Started with sports in school. And then I needed to put on some weight for movies and to model. Full-grown man, I used to weigh what? 48 kilos. So the whole journey was earlier till about 5 years ago to how to increase the weight and how to look bigger. Now the journey is how to decrease the weight. So it's always going to happen. And the older you get, the more difficult it.
You are like the encyclopedia, the Bible for healthy living, fitness. At 58, you're far more fitter than all the young bachas around. Give it up for Mr. Sunil Shetty, ladies and gentlemen. 58, and mind you, he doesn't even hide his age like most people around, the way he lives his life. When you see the Squats app, you're very, very fit, especially not only when it's films, but it's also about fitness and healthy living. You are very, very particular. No one can just get you like this to associate with themselves on this. One thing that made you feel this is a brand that I want to be associated with.
Envious of the fact that in just about less than 3 years, they've transformed 70,000 people. That's a hell of a lot of people. If you can influence one person in your life and help them transform, to be a fitter human being, to be a better human being. I mean, all three of them who came here, they look so beautiful. And I guess it's because of the confidence that they have in themselves. Mentally, they have changed. Mentally, they've decided that we want to be fit and we want to influence people.
सुनील जी आपके सामने इन दिनों हम देख रहे हैं कि कई सारे स्टार किड लॉन्च हो रहे हैं इन दिनों आपके बेटे आहान भी लॉन्च होने वाले हैं कुछ टाइम के बाद तो क्या एक्टिंग की एडवाइस आप उन्हें देना चाहेंगे या 6 पैक एब्स की?
दो अलग चीज़ें हैं लेकिन एक्टिंग के साथ साथ 6 पैक्स होना चाहिए. इसलिए उदय जी सोनी लिव आप देखेंगे तो हमारा टैगलाइन ये है एंटरटेनमेंट में फिटनेस का तड़का. तो एक्टिंग में फिटनेस का तड़का वो भी बहुत ज़रूरी है वरना तो चलेगा ही नहीं. पहले ज़माना था जब मेरी एंट्री हुई थी और मेरे बाइसेप्स इतने बड़े थे, छाती इतनी बड़ी थी, तो बहुत सारे प्रोड्यूसर्स कहते थे यार इसे ले लो, इसको पीछे कहीं खड़ा कर दो, विलन का रोल ले लो. आज उल्टा हो चुका है. प्रोड्यूसर के पास एक्टर जाता है तो बोलता है यार बॉडी शॉडी बनाओ, हीरो बनना है. तो थिंग्स हैव चेंज. तो एक कॉम्बिनेशन होना बहुत ज़रूरी है और आहान के लिए ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है.
आई थिंक आउटस्टैंडिंग. शिव वृंदा हमेशा से मेरे साथ आई थिंक पिछले 2-3 साल से जुड़े हुए हैं मेरे सर्विस के साथ टाटा स्काई फिटनेस पर. और ये एक ऐसा फॉर्मेट है जब माइंड ओवर बॉडी डेफिनेटली है. जितनी हमें हमारी फिज़िकल स्ट्रेंथ की ज़रूरत है उतनी हमें मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ की ज़रूरत होती है. और मेरा मानना है कि एक सेशन करने के बाद जब इंसान बाहर निकलता है सडनली उसे एक नई सी एनर्जी आ जाती है उसकी ज़िंदगी में और उसके जहन में. तो आई थिंक ये फंक्शनल ट्रेनिंग और शिफ्ट फिट का जो प्रोग्राम है एक एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी प्रोग्राम है जैसे कि मैंने कहा, शिव और वृंदा मेरे साथ पहले भी जुड़े हैं. इंडियाज़ असली चैम्पियन में वो मेंटोर्स भी है इन बच्चों.
Sunil, also long time back in an interview you had said that perhaps the fittest man in Bollywood is Akshay Kumar. Has that changed for you? If not, why is
No. See, there are. According to me, he is the fittest, physically the fittest, because Akshay has always done, like Sohail said, run, swim. He's always done functional training, and functional training is the toughest format of training. Physically looking good and being functionally fit are two different things altogether. That's why I said, when I was asked the question, what would you like to do? I said Pilates, or I'd say, spinning or functional training, because that is extending and testing your limits. So I think Akshay still is one of the fittest people that there are in the industry.